In this video, we'll talk about exponent laws, in particular, powers of a power. So what that looks like is, let's say for instance we have 2 cubed to the 5th power. Then how do we solve that problem? So power of a power is that we have already an exponential expression and we're raising that whole expression to another power. So let's just dive right into an example. So what I have here is I have 3 to the 4th power to the 3rd power. So if we look at 3 to the 4th power, that means we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And then we're taking that to the 3rd power. So I'm taking this thing times itself 3 times. So again, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And then once more. Now, if I'm looking at this whole expression, I'm thinking to myself, there's 12 3's here. So this would also be 3 to the 12th power. Now, another shortcut here is if you look at the powers, you're taking power of a power. This would be the same as 3 to the power of 4 times 3, which turns into 3 to the 12th power. Now, in this case, it wasn't too complicated. However, as powers get larger and larger, this shortcut really becomes handy. So let's take a look at another example here. In this case, I'm going to just use the shortcut. I don't really want to write out 12 x's. So I'm going to say this is x to the power of 12 times 3, which means that this is the same thing as x to the 36th power. And that's how I would use my shortcut. Instead of writing out 12 x's 3 times, I can just multiply and get to a simplified solution.